I'm Red.
I'm
this
Frizzle.
This is our bus. You can find us on online at Bohemian Bus Odyssey, Facebook, Instagram. Come on in.
We have a 2000 Thomas. We opted for a stock raised roof because I have a tall boyfriend. We've already added a jackknifing RV sofa here we found. Folds down to a bed so we have some extra living space. Inside we've added 3 inches of insulation. We're using natural sheep's wool for our insulation up top. We've lined in propane for our RV stove. We have plumbed everything in. We're still working on all of this.
Custom built the cabinets so there's a low countertop so that she can have a better height for her usage. She wanted the lower countertop, so I made sure to build it lower. Go ahead.
Okay, over here we've used some repurposed fixtures and hardwares we found, a hiding toothbrush holder that we just love. Yeah. We've also sunken in our kitchen cabinet, our kitchen tools here, which is fun. We've also plumbed, we have water, all of our lights are on dimmers. We're still working on filling in everything. We have a RV
AC unit. I have actually built a platform on the roof and then recessed it into the roof so that I did not lose my headspace.
Yes. I love to cook, so we had to add as big of a fridge as we could fit in here comfortably. And we also added a deep freezer here that we can pull out for extra counter space and lots of extra food storage. Yep, so we have all of that. We do travel with a teenager, so we need to have him have his own space. So we built him a bunk here up top. He's got a twin size mattress essentially and some extra storage, fans, lights. Underneath his bed we did storage as well. We have an unfinished bathroom currently and a temporary compost toilet, which will turn into a real compost toilet. Our special feature in here is the bubble that we added. My tall partner wanted to be able to wash his hair, so instead of raising the whole roof, we just added the cool bubble that we had custom made. Back in the back here, we have our full queen size bed. We've sectioned off a bit in the back for our electrical and our hot water heaters and some extra storage in a garage. The bed does lift up. Underneath we have 90 gallons of fresh water, all the pumps and filters and everything, all custom built by him. We've actually, most of this entire build is repurposed material. We spent years finding it all over Facebook Marketplace and jumping on deals, and we've tried to put storage in wherever we can, and as we build it out, we know where we want to put storage now that we've been living in it. Right. It's kind of helped. Right. But we're closing everything off and filling everything in, and yeah. We've been living in it for about 2 months now as we finish it, and have changed some things, seeing how we feel in it. I've
been living in mine 3 years. I'm still changing stuff.
That's what I figure. It's a process.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. He's done most.
You got a good start on this.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Right? See you next time, YouTube. Bye.